Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel All Is Well. In today's video, we will talk about top 5 yoga poses for beginners. Few benefits of yoga includes relaxation, mindfulness, improved sleep, increased energy, decreased cortisol levels, improved respiratory and circulatory functions. Sukhasana, it is often referred to as easy pose and it's known to relieve stress. How to perform Sukhasana? Sit cross-legged on a yoga mat with your hands on your knees, palms up. Keep your spine as straight as you can. Push the bones you're sitting on down into the floor, your sit bones in yoga speak. Close your eyes and inhale. Cat-cow pose is known to awaken the spine and ease back pain. How to perform cat-cow? Get on your mat on all fours with your hands directly below your shoulders and your knees directly below your hips. Distribute your weight equally between your hands and spread your fingers wide. Inhale and round your back, arching it up as you lower your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch from your neck to your tailbone, like a cat. As you exhale, lower your back down all the way to a scoop shape as you lift your head and tilt it back. Vrksasana, often referred as tree pose, is known to improve your balance. How to perform Vrksasana? Start by standing straight for this pose. Bring your hands together in the prayer position and lift them over your head. Balance on your right leg. Bend your left knee out to the left side and press your left foot to the inner thigh of your right leg. Hold for 30 seconds. Switch legs and repeat. Downward facing dog, often referred as Adho Mukha Svanasana, is known to enhance flexibility. How to perform downward facing dog? Your body forms an inverted V shape. Start by placing both hands on the mat in front of you, palms down. Your hands should be slightly in front of your shoulders. Place your knees on the ground directly under your hips. Exhale as you lift your knees off the ground and lift your buttocks and hips toward the ceiling. Push the top of your thighs back and stretch your heels down toward the floor. Keep your head down between your upper arms and in line with them, not hanging down. If you notice your lower back rounding, try bending your knees to help lengthen your back. Balasana, fondly referred as child's pose, helps you to relax and unwind. How to perform Balasana? From downward facing dog, simply bend your knees and lower your butt to your heels as you bring your chest toward the floor over your knees. Lower your shoulders and head to the floor. Place your arms along your sides, palms down, or you can support your head by folding your arms under your forehead. Breathe and relax for as long as you need to. Thanks everyone for watching today's video. If you like the content, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It will motivate us to come up with even more interesting and useful content in future.